Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel, MYKK2083. Today I came to the Banglalink Customer Service Center in Gulshan Avenue, and I have to make my prepaid Banglalink number into postpaid. So that's why I came here. So then I thought that why not make a vlog about it. So how they do the exchange thing, and if I can make a video inside or not, all those kind of things. So yeah, so let's go and see if they turn my prepaid Banglalink number into postpaid or not. I don't know yet. I called them before once, but they said that I have to come here virtually, physically, to do the processing. So yeah, let's go inside and see what happens. And there is the Banglalink Customer Service Center in Gulshan Avenue. এটা না কাস্টমার সার্ভিস? কাস্টমার সার্ভিস এটা? জি, কাস্টমার সার্ভিস। ভিডিও করবে না, ভিডিও করা নিচে ভিতরে বাইরে আমাদের অফিসের সামনে ভিডিও করা নিচে। ও আচ্ছা, সিলেক্ট করে দিন। Hey guys, successfully turned my prepaid number into postpaid number Banglalink, and it wasn't allowed to use the camera inside or make a video or take a picture. You guys have already seen that the security guy is telling me not to use the camera inside. So yeah, this was it. It didn't take much time, only a few minutes of waiting, and after that I went to the counter and they turned my prepaid number into postpaid number. So yeah, this is it for now then, and please subscribe to my channel, and when you guys watch my video, like and share my video, and see you guys in the next one.